Everyone. In today's video, I will be talking about how can we handle multiple conditions in a much cleaner way. So it could be your and, it could be your or, it could be anything, or it could be a combination of these. So let's have a look at the sample code which I have already written over here. So I'm having a variable name, I'm having a variable age, and another variable can go to school by bus. So these are the three variables having some value assigned to them. Now I want to know whether a given person is a kid or not. So for that, I'm putting a condition: if he can go by school bus and if he's older than 10 years old, then he's not a kid. But otherwise, we will say he's still a kid. Okay, now assume that you have more complex condition wherein you have many and so many other. It could be or anything. So, but to keep this simple, I'm just going with two cases. If I will run this particular code, you can see that I'm getting an output as not a kid. Now, how can we simplify this particular condition? As of now, there are only two, so we need not to worry much, but assuming that you may have a whole long list of conditions which are appended back to back. So let's see how I can do this. So I will pull out this particular thing, and what I can do is I'm going to create a list, let's say condition, and in that I will be putting all the conditions separated by comma. Okay, let's remove this. So this is my list which is having all the possible conditions I want to execute. Now, instead of mentioning everything here, what I can do, I can say all, and inside this I will pass my variable conditions. So what I am saying, if all the conditions are true, then display this message, otherwise display this message. So let's go ahead. And you can see that we got the same output. Now assume that you don't want to perform AND operation. You are interested in OR case. Let's say you want to say if any one of these conditions are true, then just return me the result. So in that case, we can say any. So any is like OR. So let me change it a bit. I will make age as 1 and rerun this program. So you can see that still I got not a kid as an output because one constraint is still satisfied. So this is how you can handle your conditions in much more cleaner way. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Thanks for watching.